Hello, hello, hello.
And today we are going for a movie.
Hello, hello, hello. The weather in Pune 4-5 दिनों से is absolutely stunning. पूरा दिन धूप रहती है and जैसे ही 4-5 बजते हैं शाम के, it absolutely transforms into the kind of weather that most hill stations have. So इस weather में I had to make myself chai and I'm having one right now. So I usually like my tea with cardamom, elaichi and lemongrass. तो मेरी जो मदर इन लॉ है लेमन ग्रास वाली चाय मैंने उनके हाथों से पी थी पहली बार, तो तब से आई स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग इट टू एंड on days like these it is a must have. So I'm drinking one right now. So the sun is set. I've taken over the dinner duties today. I'll be making egg rice, egg pulao, and I've chopped the vegetables that will go into the pulao. So the rice is ready. Eggs are beaten too, and I've chopped all the vegetables as well.
Sunday and today we are going for a movie. We are going to watch Mission Impossible by Tom Cruise. We are running a little late, so Kunal is in a panicky mode. We just have 15 minutes, otherwise we are going to miss the movie. We are going to the Kopa Mall to watch this movie.